Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Mind Benders, your destination for in-depth explorations into the lives of history's greatest minds. Before we dive into the fascinating world of Albert Einstein, we have a small request. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of our intriguing content. We're on a mission to bring you stories that challenge your perspective, ignite your curiosity, and inspire you to think beyond the ordinary. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the life of a man whose name is synonymous with genius. So get ready, fasten your seatbelts, and let's delve into the captivating world of Albert Einstein. Welcome to Top Secret, unveiling the curiosities of Albert Einstein's journey to genius. It might surprise you to know that Einstein, one of the most incredible intellects of our time, didn't have a smooth start in academics. Indeed, the man universally recognized as a genius had a life filled with unexpected twists, challenges, and naturally remarkable breakthroughs. Einstein's life was not solely about intricate equations and groundbreaking theories. His journey, from being captivated by science and mathematics in his childhood, to overcoming his initial academic hurdles, epitomizes the true power of passion, resolve, and concentration. Einstein, recognized for his work in physics, also had diverse interests such as music and patent examining, which each uniquely enriched his of the world. His existence was distinguished by a relentless curiosity that brought about revolutionary discoveries, a Nobel Prize, and lasting additions to cosmology. And he accomplished all this while promoting peace and steering through the volatile early decades of the 20th century. Get ready for a captivating exploration as we unveil 10 curiosities about Einstein and his journey to becoming the embodiment of intelligence. Starting with fact number 10, Einstein showed an early interest in the world of science. From a tender age he was captivated by the mysteries and mechanics of the universe. His inquisitive mind was always probing, always questioning. He wasn't content with just observing the world, he wanted to understand its inner workings. Young Einstein had a particular fascination with clocks and mechanical devices. He would spend countless hours disassembling and reassembling them, not just for fun, but to comprehend how they functioned. He was intrigued by the precision of gears and springs, the rhythmic ticking, and the harmonious interplay of parts. It was a puzzle that he delighted in solving. This fascination wasn't confined to the physical. He was equally interested in the abstract world of mathematics. Numbers and equations were another puzzle for him, another layer of the universe to unravel. This early curiosity paved the way for his later scientific achievements. Coming in at number 9, Einstein had a rocky start in his academic journey. Contrary to popular belief, Einstein was not a straight-A student from the get-go. In fact, he had his fair share of struggles in the realm of academia. His curiosity and unconventional thinking style didn't always align with the rigid, structured education system of his time. This misalignment led to a rather unexpected event in his life, being expelled from high school in Munich. Yes, one of the greatest minds in history was shown the door from his high school. This was not because he lacked intelligence, but because he simply didn't fit into the traditional mold of education. His thought process was different, his approach to learning was unique, and his thirst for knowledge was unquenchable. Despite these early setbacks, Einstein's intellectual curiosity was not dampened. Instead, it fueled his journey towards groundbreaking discoveries. Fact number 8, Einstein had a musical side. Now this may seem surprising, but Albert Einstein was not only a pioneering physicist, but also an avid musician. His instrument of choice? The violin. Yes, the same man who reshaped our understanding of the universe also enjoyed playing Mozart sonatas. His love for music was cultivated from a young age, and he often stated that it played a vital role in his thinking process. Einstein's violin was more than just a pastime, it was an essential part of his intellectual journey. He once said, "I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music." This shows that his scientific insights were not purely cerebral, but also deeply connected to emotion and creativity. So next time you're stuck on a problem, why not take a leaf out of Einstein's book and turn to music? Einstein's passion for music provided a creative outlet that complemented his scientific pursuits. For fact number 7, Einstein's early career was far from glamorous. Imagine Albert Einstein, the theoretical physicist we all admire, sitting behind a desk, examining patent applications for electromagnetic devices. Yes, you heard it right. Einstein worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern, right after he graduated. Now, you might be wondering, how did this job influence his understanding of physics? Well, during his time at the patent office, Einstein was exposed to a wide range of technological innovations. He had to understand each invention, its mechanics, and its implications. This exercise of analyzing complex technical information and translating it into simpler terms honed his skills and deepened his understanding of the physical world. Beyond that, it gave him ample time to ponder over his scientific theories. His job at the Swiss Patent Office was, in fact, the birthplace of his revolutionary theories, including the special theory of relativity. This seemingly mundane job helped shape Einstein's revolutionary theories. Halfway through at number 6, Einstein revolutionized physics. In the year 1905, Einstein published a groundbreaking paper that would forever change the landscape of physics. This was none other than the special theory of relativity. This theory introduced concepts that were, at the time, almost unthinkable. It proposed that time and space are not absolute, but relative to the observer. This means that time can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you're moving, and space can contract or expand. Your watch might tick slower if you're zooming through space at the speed of light compared to someone standing still on Earth. Furthermore, it introduced the famous equation E equals mach squared, which tells us that energy and mass are interchangeable. This was a radical idea that reshaped our understanding of the universe. And so, Einstein's revolutionary theory forever changed our understanding of time and energy. Fact number 5, Einstein's Nobel Prize wasn't for his most famous theory. Yes, you heard it right. Despite his groundbreaking work on the theory of relativity, it was his explanation of the photoelectric effect that earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1921. Now let's delve a little deeper. The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon in which electrons are emitted from a material, usually a metal, when it's exposed to light. Einstein proposed that light was made up of particles, or quanta, which we now call photons. When these light particles strike a metal surface, they transfer their energy to the electrons. This energy is then used to overcome the attraction of the positively charged nucleus and escape from the material. This theory not only explained the photoelectric effect, but also gave birth to the field of quantum mechanics, revolutionizing our understanding of the microscopic world. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect laid the foundation for quantum theory. At number 4, Einstein was a refugee. In the face of rising Nazi persecution in Germany, Albert Einstein made the life-altering decision to emigrate to the United States in 1933. The political climate in Germany had become increasingly hostile for Jews, and the renowned physicist was no exception. Einstein's fame and outspoken political beliefs made him a target, and the situation became so dire that he was forced to flee his homeland. Upon his arrival in America, Einstein found a new home at the prestigious Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. This institution, renowned for its commitment to cutting-edge research, offered Einstein a safe haven to continue his scientific pursuits. Amid the turmoil of displacement, Einstein never lost his passion for discovery and continued to contribute to the world of physics from his new home. Einstein found a safe haven in the US, where he continued his scientific work. Fact number 3, Einstein was a pacifist. Indeed, beyond the realms of science, Einstein held a deep conviction for peace. His disapproval of violence and warfare was profound. Einstein was not just a theoretical physicist but also a humanitarian, who fervently believed in the cause of disarmament. His life in Germany, particularly during the rise of the Nazi Party, had shown him the worst manifestations of human nature, which deepened his commitment to peace. Einstein didn't just preach peace, he acted upon his beliefs. He was actively involved in pacifist and anti-nuclear movements. He believed that the scientific community had a responsibility to prevent the misuse of their discoveries. He once said, "Concern for man and his fate must always form the chief interest of all technical endeavors." This sentiment reflected his hope that science and technology would be used for the betterment of humanity, not its destruction. Einstein used his influence to advocate for a peaceful world. Coming in at number 2, Einstein's scientific contributions extend beyond relativity. His brilliance didn't stop at bending time and space, it reached into the very fabric of the universe, cosmology. Einstein's mark on cosmology is profound, with one of his greatest contributions being the introduction of the cosmological constant. This was a term he added to his field equations of general relativity. Originally, Einstein used the cosmological constant as a way to achieve a static universe, a concept that was universally accepted at the time. However, when it was later discovered that the universe was expanding, Einstein reportedly called this his biggest blunder. Ironically, in the modern era, the cosmological constant has been revived to explain the observed acceleration in the expansion of the universe. It's a testament to Einstein's genius that even his supposed blunders end up being aspects of our understanding of the cosmos. And finally, fact number 1, Einstein's enduring legacy. Albert Einstein's impact on science and the world is nothing short of monumental. His theories and discoveries have shaped our understanding of the universe from the tiniest particles to the vastness of space-time. But his influence extends beyond just science. Einstein's name has become a universal symbol for genius, used in everyday language to denote extraordinary intelligence. In popular culture, his image, complete with the wild hair and expressive eyes, is instantly recognizable and often associated with wisdom and creativity. His quotes, filled with wit and insight, continue to inspire millions around the globe. Despite his passing many decades ago, the influence of this remarkable man is still palpable in our world today. From the classrooms to the laboratories, from books to movies, Einstein's touch is ever present. His life story serves as a testament to the power of curiosity, persistence, and above all, imagination. Einstein's legacy continues to inspire and influence modern physics. So, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Albert Einstein. From his early interest in science, sparked by tinkering with mechanical devices, to his enduring legacy that continues to shape modern physics. We delved into his initial struggles in school, his love for music, and how his job at the Swiss Patent Office influenced his understanding of physics. We explored his groundbreaking special theory of relativity, his Nobel Prize-winning explanation of the photoelectric effect, and his significant contributions to cosmology. We also touched on his life as a refugee in the United States and his commitment to peace and disarmament. Albert Einstein was a man of many facets, a curious child, a struggling student, a dedicated scientist, a passionate musician, a peace advocate, and an enduring icon of genius. These curiosities reveal the life and mind of one of history's most influential scientists, and how his passion, determination, and focus contributed to his extraordinary intelligence. And that, dear viewers, concludes our journey through the life of Albert Einstein. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of his many facets, and that it inspires you to delve deeper into the marvels of science and the intriguing lives of those who have shaped our understanding of the universe. Remember, each one of us has the potential to leave a lasting legacy, just like Einstein. So, are you ready to start your own journey of discovery? If you are, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. We have many more fascinating stories to share with you about the people, discoveries, and events that have shaped our world. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. We can't wait to take you along on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, in the words of Einstein himself, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. See you in the next video.